When it comes to sleep, I want to talk about that. It's a very big thing because I hear a lot of times people, they're not getting enough, or they're waking up in the middle of the night and they can't go back. What are some things I want to talk about? What are some things that can get in the way of us getting sleep? And if we're having trouble, what are some things that we can do so that we can get a good quality rest?
Yeah, that's an excellent question. Sleep medicine is a science in itself. There are textbooks, 3,000 page textbooks written on sleep itself. So sleep is a very detailed science. At the same time, the main reason the sleep gets disturbed is because of this advent of this blue lights, particularly in the late evening and just before the sleep. A lot of people are on their phone, are on their iPad, are watching TV, and all those things are emitting blue light. So I tell my patients that at least an hour or hour and a half before you go to sleep, stay away from blue light. Also, exposing yourself to sunlight in the morning enhances the sleep at night. Being physically active during the day, moving every hour enhances the sleep. Taking a hot shower at night enhances the sleep. Having some kind of journaling just before you sleep, where you put down all your worries, all your stress, and also having some kind of gratitude will also enhance the sleep. Having a 15 to 20 minute of quiet time meditation before sleep will enhance the sleep. Having a dark room, having a noise-free room will enhance the sleep. So again, there are a variety of things you can do to enhance the sleep. At the same time, I think the most important thing is that you take sleep very seriously. You take sleep as an activity which you really, most people take sleep as a passive activity. But in my opinion, sleep should be an active planning stage, and then you will get good sleep. Insomnia or lack of sleep or poor sleep affects 20 to 30% of Americans. Many of them are on sleeping pills, and sleeping pills actually have shown to increase the chances of dying and increase the chances of many mental disease. So sleeping pill is not the answer. Also, because of the epidemic of obesity, sleep apnea is also a major issue, where not just the quality of the sleep is poor, but during the sleep, oxygen saturation really drops low, and your body feels like it's starving from oxygen supply itself. So again, poor sleep and sleep apnea is a major factor in America today.
Yeah, that's all good stuff. Now, what about coffee? Because people are drinking coffee every day, maybe multiple times. This is a stimulant. How does that affect it?
Coffee is a good thing you mentioned. After noon or after 1 p.m., coffee should be avoided completely. And if you are very sensitive to caffeine to the sleep, try to eliminate the caffeine even in the morning. But for example, I have one coffee in the morning, and around noon or 1 o'clock, I stop taking any caffeine, and that's all the caffeine I have. One coffee in the morning is okay, but after that, no coffee. Even the decaf coffee has a small amount of caffeine, and a lot of people are very sensitive. So I agree with you. Caffeine should be avoided afternoon.
And that would go for tea too, right?
Tea also, many tea have caffeine and tannin in there, and they all are stimulant, and they will keep you up at night.